right, welcome back. Now we still get Eric Obu in the studio, and him an artist, but in your story could motivate you today as our Motivational Monday. But you know what, in Eric, we always discuss, get some things to discuss on top of the show, some trending stories over the weekend. So before we actually get to understand a lot from you, we're going to talk about them.
Okay.
All right, and you go put your mouth inside. Now, one story where they trend over the weekend concerned the university students where commit suicide after he don't realize, say, he get extra year to spend for inside school. Now, according by the report, the talk say, in waiting for you fit term as frustration, a final year student of engineering department for inside the Federal University of Technology, Akure, where they identify as Festus, don't commit suicide after he realized, say, he get extra year to spend for school as a result of his poor results. Now, they gather and say, this young man, he go check his results. And he can find out, say, he not do well at all. And because he not do well, he not pass, he will need to spend another year for inside school. And out of frustration, he reach his room and hang himself. Now there, he can die by killing himself. Now the question now for today, you don't ever, because now Motivational Monday, sometimes people need to understand from your own story and how to handle issue. You don't ever fail in whether exam or something where you do with people, you don't ever fail, and how you deal with the frustration of failing.
I'll go allow Eric make it exactly.
Okay, you see, now many things now they involve. First, if the person is proud of himself too much, don't too boast, so people say, this thing, I go do one like this, I must get A, I must pass this exam, or I must win this cup. So if you can't fail, you know, if you stand the shame, like a general will lose war, where you go say, instead of make a day humiliated, I could kill myself. So, but it's very wrong. It is very wrong for person to kill himself because not disgrace, because no you get your life. Life na God giver. So you no get right to take your own life because the breath comes from God. And that breath of life, the Bible say, God say, let us make man in our own image. And God breathes on man. And before man become a living being, that breath, now God get her. Even you will not get right over that breath. Now we call soul. So, they say the boy is supposed to do, as he failed that exam, it's supposed to be a stepping stone for her. Say, as I failed this exam, okay, where I take fail? I'm fail for this course. I fail this, I fail this. Okay, now, what I go do, what I go take, make sure, say, I no go fail again. Now, the mistake, you know, think that side. Now, another thing again, people say in parents don't to invest money for the boy, and in parents no get. You know, if you go tell the same thing, you spend extra 1 year. So, to make your mama or parent their heart they broken, make kuku kill himself. Now, when they make another mistake, even so in the think. So, but this but you're supposed to look and say, okay, even though I fail this 1 year, my mama, I no go disturb my parent them. If now me say I go to sell for school, because the first time I go when me go Unilag go give speech, because this is my documentary they use for them course for Unilag. As I say, because where people plenty, I know say na money they there, but the only thing Nigerian two the day people they two they post, they no fit come down to do other things. And very few people feel look and say okay, as everybody did this place, that's one thing. Must know. People must drink pure water. People must buy card. People must chop anything. So really that one says is supposed to say, okay, if now money with the problem, I go the package pure water they say. You understand? But Nigerians who too put class for ourselves. When you know rich, you would use mouth. They tell people say you reach there, and you know good. Understand?
I like
for me, I just feel say like what he talk. I like what he talk, and I agree with him. But if you were there out there today, would they tell you the story of this man where they hear, and you know you see the video, you decide say because of only 1 year, because one power you fail. Yes, Eric, how many years you stay for them?
Me I stayed there for 10 years.
Okay, so within be 1 year, that's then you don't even know the direction where you they go as a dem. But one thing be say you get one dream where they inside.
Yes.
You don't know how you want to come to reality, but you get one thing. So why just 1 year where you they go school? But we not go feel blame the boy. If you be saying own story today, almost like your own, we be saying that him they hustle his way and he don't look and say, oh, it don't reach time for me to cross over. You understand? And you know fit again. This thing where they inside here, our mind, no be everybody, and our brain, no be everybody. That's why you say ordinary stomach pain kill somebody and another person survivor. You understand? Some people they live with HIV/AIDS, but some ones they just hear the name, it already they over.
Already.
So life now, as you God, you say take package yourself, and God already give you the privilege to live and but you yourself get associated. But for me, as in to kill yourself, no be any reason. If now in parents they fear, now the parents today inside double fear. So they live for double
You
fear.
don't ever fall in this category of maybe you fear for something.
I don't
and how you take deal with the frustration?
When I tell you my first GC.
You feel like
Me, I'm so rest in peace, my mother. She don't see that result till she died. Now F from A to Z because I'm not ready, but you know that time they tell you say try.
Yeah.
Try and see so that you prepare for next year. As I just go collect and I don't tear and say they don't release my results. You understand? But
So
I
now you
don't
dealt with you. Actually, I tell people make them check their results.
nobody talk through what happened.
through the- I like
You
that.
understand?
I like that.
But to me, I don't fail to even for school, even for university, I don't get carryover. I get one time I get 6 carryovers. But you know what? I know it's not my fault.
Good.
Because as that semester, I know 2 days school, I they go, they come out, but I they look for money to pay school fees. You understand? So because I miss myself go school, so everything just they choked up for me. Then, but when I pay the school fees, I can't sit down and ask myself, so what thing I go do to make this mark go forward? Because I must not fail, because I go still get extra year to do. And I tell you, I buckle up. I just do the immediate things where I go fit do then to
Buckle
pay
up.
money.
You see.
But
And the
hunger
thing,
was
and I
young.
buckle up
I really
now.
hungry for
because
school.
even when I find myself in that situation, trust me, I get one course where I carry over like 3 good
No,
times.
psychology, I carry them.
Okay, man, so
Sociology, psychology.
I carry am over from year 1 with 300 level. Then I can't manage pass. I can't manage pass this psychology for 300 level. I can't still carry.
No, but the man just let me
psychology
go.
for 400 level. Wait now, when I call that 400 level, I dey write my main course exam, and at the same time they write the other course.
Oh,
I say,
God,
Jesus,
I
something
know.
I want to do. Meanwhile, I don't this exam. I say, Lele, I don't go fail am again. No. And this exam, I must pass it. I don't dey read it. As God take help me. My own main courses and that psychology course be like say dem come merge as I know as God take do am o, because as I read 2 of them side by side. As I enter hall, I dey queue to enter for my main exam. Now say I branch, enter the other one, babe. I
You
write am
download
to me.
first.
I just dey. I say this is dey easy, so that is easy. I don't think I dey go. As I finish, submit, I run back straight. That may be the last person when I sign in to enter for my main course.
You see.
I enter that course, write out my pass.
Now, you see, the reason why I actually ask, say, you don't ever fall for this category. Now, normally we go ask questions like, what do you think? You think, say, the boy do something right?
Nah.
But now, to make people understand, say,
Purely
yes, we
feel.
dey
A lot
here.
of people-
We actually dey here, sit down for TV now, they watch us.
Yeah.
But we don't actually go through the
Our
same
own
thing. But we
failures
don't
too, yeah.
look and say, because say we don't fail, then you need to kill yourself.
Nah, come on.
We not look am like that. There is no reason why person go carry just kill yourself just because say you
kill
fail.
life.
I understand where
Now,
you
this
come
thing,
from.
because most of the time, waiting they cause against self-defeat.
Yeah, you just you fail and you just tell yourself, say, I would never make it in life, and then you kill yourself. And also talking about parents, maybe for if in house, my parents always tell and say you are a failure, and then going back to tell them that I have to repeat another school again. In maybe just one experience that
But if you hide am.
insult from
I
your
tell you.
that is it. That's not why our own story go motivate person where they out there say, come, killing yourself is not the solution.
Isn't at all.
Like we see Amaka talk, she failed almost 3 times.
Yes.
But she can't go sit down. You know me say her mama embrace her for her, say, come,
Yeah,
failure,
yes, she
come.
embrace me.
No. But she
Some
sit
people
down
they say, oh,
and
your
say,
house dey easier, but you know, you get some children where we say, you find maybe you fit find if you're for house it dey difficult, you fit find comfort in friends wey you dey
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
mingle with. Those ones they tell you say, I bet my popsi sef dey do, so you come see say
Yeah,
no be only
no be only
you.
you.
But when the child dey alone, the depression at times too, peer pressure dey there, and the parents
maybe
again.
the-
So nowhere
okay.
to go to, he go dey by himself.
Why I no look the aspect of say in don't boast with for him friends?
Yes,
It's
no,
that
I-
and
that's
possible
why
that
they
I
reason
fear
for
and
where
I
you
fear
come.
people.
The
I
peer
actually
pressure.
agree with you when you talk, say, a lot of Nigerians, they live beyond waiting they actually be. Now, you know, say you not get anything, but you they both say, I get. You know, say you know, they, yes, you not be be the A scholar for inside school, but they post say, hey, me, my son at the school, and I say, yes, now the...
And those parents will tell us that and say, I was the one carrying first. They
never
show you their result.
Every papa carry first now.
But bottom line be say, you don't get any reason. That now we don't share our own experience. There's nobody no sit down for year. We never fail one way or the other.
Yes, yeah.
But waiting they actually move us because we don't... Our motivational quote every day, we they take time to bring and come out for you to be motivated. One time we talk, say failure now is step for you to move ahead.
That means
so there is nobody.
better.
Dangote he has failed before. There is nobody who never failed.
The one where they
So
very very common.
yourself.
That guy we do bulb. We do 99 times. That 99 times when you do am, he tell you say this also and so we no use am make light. It no go work.
So you have no reason to kill yourself, I beg. All right, moving on from that particular story, another one again today. Okay, why I ever actually stopped just now? You know, sometimes when they say goes just past, 999 times.
999 times.
Yes. All right. Now moving on from that particular story, we're going to another one where it happened for Obodo America. Now one Nigerian American school bus driver will be Sami Agumbiade. Now they call him hero. Now, why they call him hero? Now, because he does successfully come out some school children from inside bus when they drive. Shortly after the bus, fire starts for inside the bus.
Ew.
And they say this one happened for inside Houston. The school name now, Houston Spring Branch Independent School District.
Sorry.
Yeah, sorry. The school boy you call it.
You know? sorry.
Yeah, for inside Texas. Now, when they actually asked him, saying, why you decide to do this? He said, this is not the children where they carry go school every day. So I need to protect them.
To save them.
I need to actually save them. Now, ladies, you know, say my questions today.
I
want to bring Una out.
Yes.
If there's a fire outbreak now, and for inside that incident, your parents and your spouse, they stuck in the room. Later, I will tell you why I actually chose this question.
Yeah.
Your parents and your spouse, they stuck in the room, and you only get the ability to save one. Who you go save and why? Your parents, mama, papa, they stuck inside room where they born, and your partner, they for inside the room with them too. And you just need to save one. Who you go save?
Our guest this.
Why not always
You said they the studio.
No, I didn't know, but the ladies you call now.
You don't join. Any person will enter here, whether a man or woman, because now four ladies will be. You don't become woman.
Okay. Well, for me, if I look and say, my papa and my mama, they don't live life, they don't old, and only one person I'll save. Between God and man, I go save my wife, because my wife didn't get years to live. You understand? And it go day very bad for my conscience. See, I go save my mama, and I can't look at this my wife, we small girl, we still get more life to live. I'm supposed to help her. Understand? Even my myself, he tell me say, go save
Your wife.
Your wife. Understand? Be like, make fire the
Why
bomb.
not mama? Why your papa? Papa not the person.
My papa said no. No, say if you ask the same question between mama and papa, you first save mama. Because
okay.
papa said go fit try save himself small. Papa na man.
Yes.
You understand? The same question was in the my wife and my pikin fire day. And my pikin I will first save because it's small. You know, you go there more. You go there confused for her. So the mama go try. My wife go try help himself small. So but for this question, no. Anybody feel vex so, but my mind are talking.
I like that. Anybody feel vex so, boy?
Quickly, before we go on the break.
I'm going to save my husband, sorry. Yeah, my mother don't born all the children.
I will talk my. You will talk yours. All right, we will come back now go anywhere.
If I can't say.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.